All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to walk through a couple of things that you need for the quiz today. Remember, you're taking a quiz today. You'll be going through inequality stuff. It's important quiz, test, assessment stuff. So make sure that you are on it. And then afterward, make sure you get anything else squared away and also do that pre-assessment for part 2 there. So follow everything in Empower. I'll put it all in Empower. You should be able to find it. If you found this, you can find it all. Okay, so remember, just like solving, all of this is the same stuff. Our steps for solving equations are the same for solving inequalities. You just have to remember, if you ever multiply or divide by a negative, you flip the direction of the inequality. Cool. So step 1 is to distribute. Most people were good at that yesterday, so we'll take this and we'll distribute it in. Boom, boom. Make sure you do the negative with it. Negative 4x. And here's the one where people forget. That's a negative 2 times a positive 3 negative, or excuse me, negative 2 times a positive, negative 2 times a negative 3 is now a positive. So a lot of people mess that sign up. I even got mouth-tied about it, right? So when you distribute that in, make sure you distribute the negative to the back one as well, or you make some mistakes. Plus 3x equals 3x plus 26. Great. Then we combine like terms. CLT, like, and yep. So we'll do here, boom, boom, negative 4x plus 3x is negative 1x. Step 3. Oh, and I didn't mean to call this inequality. What am I doing? We're doing inequalities today. So that's the good news, right? It's all the same exact steps. We're not, doesn't change any of the work I've had to do. So that's great. So you'll be seeing inequalities today. Oh my gosh. You can tell it's past 5 o'clock. My work brain is down. So step 3 is to get like terms to the same side, or excuse me, variables to the same side. Variables to the same side, make sure that happens. To do that, we need to move this x over. You can do it one of 2 ways. We'll move everything to the left because that's how I like to do it. So negative 1x minus 3x is negative 4x plus 6 is equal to 26. And then in purple here, we will solve. Get x by itself, right? So we need to get rid of that 6 first. Not equal signs. And we need to divide by negative 4. And here's the kicker. If you divide by a negative 4, we need to switch the direction of our inequality. Don't forget to do that. You'll get a negative 5, but you do have to switch it. So now my alligator's eating the other direction. When you divide by a negative number, you got to flip the direction of that inequality. Okay. Number line. Remember, your numbers get bigger as we go to the right. So that's a big thing to remember. It should help you do all of this. So it says, hey, I need x. This says x is greater than. Alligator eats the bigger number. Alligator's eating x. X is greater than or equal to negative 5. So I need to start at negative 5. It needs to be a filled in circle here. Because of this guy right here. I'm going to highlight in red even. That or equal to symbol means filled in. If it wasn't there, you'd need an open circle, right? Okay. And then back to purple. So then I'm saying x is bigger than negative 5. Alligator, once again, eating the bigger number. Alligator's eating the x. I am saying that all of my x's need to be bigger than 5. All the stuff, where are the bigger numbers? Well, the bigger numbers are over. If you're not sure, pick something, right? You can pick something like, well, I pick something on the correct side, the same side that I shaded every time. So I'll pick something like -2. You could plug it in and say, let's test it. -2 bigger than -5? Yes, it is. That's a true statement. We did it right. Okay. So you could also do something like 0 because you should always know that one. Hopefully that helps for those. And then obviously you can pause and rewind anything you need. Make sure that if you saw something like this, you do your check. So you will also see something that's just like, and it'll say, hey, write the equation for this or the inequality for this. Well, I know it has x and a 4. I know it's open, so it's not going to be or equal to. Are these x's all bigger than 4 or are they all smaller than 4? Well, they're all the smaller ones, so we would just done. All right, so I will let you solve some of those today. Make sure you're careful. Make sure you take your time on them. Complete the pretest that you do through there. And yeah, do your best. Don't stress. We can always retake and all that kind of thing. But when you are done with your pretest, kind of part 2, make sure you go through and make sure that you have everything from this week submitted. There's 3 assignments. I did require something today. Well, that was yesterday, I guess now, when you're watching this. I didn't require anything on Thursday, which means Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, which is 1 Delta Math and 2 written assignments need to be turned in by the end of this week. So I'll start grading those probably on Monday. Well, maybe even Sunday. So try and get them in by this weekend. Good luck. Enjoy your day. And I will see you on Monday. Adios.